Emma, Environmental Specialist at Ecochain, and I'm going to show you how to import products or edit them outside of Mobius in Excel and then import them into the tool. So in another video I downloaded this product into Excel. So if you want to know how to export your products, you can watch that video. In this video I will be using the same Excel to show you how you can change your products and how you can create a new product in Excel and then upload it into Mobius. So now we see the export that I made for my product, and we want to now make a copy of this product, for example, because I have a very similar product. So currently we have a wooden table, but I actually also have a marble table in my assortment. So what I can do is I can just copy the model that I made of this product and I can just alter it. And what is really important in Mobius is that everything is linked, which means that if you have another material or a product and you want to change it without changing the old one, you have to change the name. So if you don't change the name, you will overwrite your old model. So now I'm going to create a different table, so I have to make sure that I give this table a new name. For example, marble table. And actually everything in this table is the same as in the previous table. The only difference is that the tabletop is made out of marble. So I can just change those two layers. So this one is a marble tabletop, the rest stays the same. And then here it's actually made out of marble. And that is way heavier, namely 40 kilograms per tabletop. So I change that. I can take away these references because they are representative for the wood, but not for the marble. So I take them out. And then I also have to remove the properties that are linked to this reference. So the property is specific for the reference in relation to the unit that I am weighing or measuring my product in. So if I remove the references, I can also remove the property here. So now I've changed my product and I can upload this into Mobius. To do so, you have to save it as a CSV. So you go to Save As and then click on the CSV format. I already did that, so I can just save it like this. And now if we want to upload our new product, we go back to the product list and we click on Import in the top right. And here I can import my CSV. So I click on the right file and I open it. And now you see that actually I have created a new product and it's right here, the marble table. So this is one thing that you can do with the Excel imports. You can make new products, for example, based on your old products, but you can also make a totally new product. So what I can also do is if I go back to the Excel and I have a product that's really different from this, so I delete this because I want to start from scratch. So what I can do is I will just put one with level 1. This will be my main layer of my product. I call it a wooden chair. And I want to measure my chair in items, so per chair. Label, I want it in the product library. I don't have any reference for this layer and it is a normal layer. So the type is normal. And my chair consists of chair posts. 4 of them. I also measure those per item and they are objects. It also consists of a seat, 1, and of armrests, 2 of them. And I should actually put object here, not objects, like this. And now if I want to upload my wooden chair into Mobius, I can just save this file and upload it into Mobius. Import. Now let's see what happened. So here now we see that we have added a chair to our workspace, and here's our structure that we just entered into Excel. So you see it's exactly the same as in the Excel file. So this is level 1 and these are all on level 2. And these are a few ways that you can use the product exports in Excel to import new products or to change your products or to make a copy of your products. So it's very versatile. You can of course also import more than 1 or 2 products at the same time. You can even import 10 or 20 or more products at the same time. So this is a very interesting way to enter bulk items into your Mobius workspace. For more support, send us a message in the chat. See you around!